Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. It's gotta be in every video. I'm Gabriella and today's video is going to be about, finally I've been waiting for this, Sweet Sweat Waist Trimmer. So this is from Sports Research. It's kind of weird. It's like the company Sports Research, but you can go sweetsweat.com and then it takes you there. Now this is a waist trimmer. It's not like a corset. It's not those ones that like break your ribs into like a form. This just helps you sweat a little bit more. So I ordered this, and I ordered this first and I made the mistake of not getting the like lotion for it. And I found the lotion for it on Amazon, same company. And I was like, oh, I'll just order this. And I ordered it. I've worn the lotion before. Let me grab the lotion. So this is the lotion. Now I've worn the lotion already because this came in first before this came in from the company. I got this from Amazon. Amazon Prime is the best. So I wore this without the waist trimmer, obviously because I didn't have it. And I just wore it under like a loose t-shirt. It says, don't wear it with fitted clothing. But on the website, it's like, for best results, like wear this together. So I'm not sure, tight fitted clothing or not. But I didn't notice, honestly, that I sweated any more than normal. It didn't feel like warm or tingly or anything like that. The other lotions similar to this that make you sweat, that I found online on Amazon, they were like, oh my gosh, great results. And I was gonna get that, but I was like, no, I wanna get the same brand. But I just ended up getting, I just got this. And this had good results or reviews too, but I don't get anything out of this. I should have gotten the other one I was looking at that had more reviews. I don't know. So this itself, not the best, but I do want to do another video for like results on this with the waist trimmer. So we'll do that on my next video. So for now, let's open this up. This was the neon collection that I got, obviously. They had green, yellow, and pink, I think. Or no, green, yellow, blue, and then, excuse me, like a coral. Someone's yelling outside. Ready to sweat, turn up the heat, blah, 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 blah. Machine wash 1 to 2 times per month. Tells you how to clean. I'll look at that later. Oh, this is cute. It's like a carrying case. Comes with a carrying case. Or no, this is their wash bag. I should have known. Whoa, baby. Oh, it's like, oh, it's almost like rubber, kind of grip-y. All right, so I'm gonna try this on. I'm actually gonna change into my t-shirt and my shorts, and we're gonna try this on. I ordered a size small. Tops I wear is small. Pants I wear are usually a 3. Depends where you buy it from. So yeah, I got a small. All right, so finally I just threw a t-shirt on and some shorts. So this was actually kind of hard to get on, I'm not even gonna lie. I need to set this down somewhere, but I tighten it and it comes like all the way up to this side right here. I didn't do it too tight, like I still wanted to be able to breathe, obviously, but it already feels really warm, like not hot, but like snug. And I feel like it feels like a blanket, like you're wearing a really heavy blanket on you. So like it feels good. Again, like it's not a corset, so you're not gonna be like in pain or break your ribs or anything like that. It's just meant to help you sweat a little bit more. I'm not saying like I'm fat by any means or anything like that, but I just want to get toned up a lot more. So hopefully this helps. And yeah, it feels warm already. So I'm just trying to think like when I'm working out, I'm gonna be like sweating. And I'm gonna try the lotion again with this. So stay tuned for our next video to have the results after I work out with this on, and I'll let you know what I think. Yay, nay. This is more of just the unboxing. Any other videos you'd like for me to do, drop them down below. Any reviews, questions, comments, concerns, drop them down below. And please subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.